at the very end of the performance today. So I would like to thank the class 12 for working hard for this today's day. I would like to give a thank you speech to the class 12 seniors. Good morning everyone. Respected our father principal, vice principal, teachers and dear my seniors and friends. I, Kiran Guru Sangho, on behalf of all the freshers, sincerely give thanks to the seniors of class 12 for this organization of freshers program. We are very thankful for experiencing this beautiful moment that we can hold forever. It is such an honor to stand in front of you, loved ones and respectful personalities here, and show my gratitude with heartfelt thanks. We are very happy to be here. Your warm welcome, enthusiasm, and thoughtful efforts are truly appreciated. And I would like to thank class 12 seniors, Rama, Piri Menam, Tadar Likar, Tadar James, Boeing Pavin, Coach Nitin, Taki Sonam Barbarian, Minam Pamang Pada, and especially to Pura Kavin. Thank you.